Hello, basketball fans. You've got it on 2K Sports as we get set to bring you exciting NBA action. This is Brian Anderson, joined by Grant Hill and Richard Jefferson. Allie LaForce will be our reporter from the sideline. We've got the Milwaukee Bucks taking on the Detroit Pistons. And it's the Pistons to start out. Pass to Ivy. Picked by Stewart. Now Cunningham. Back to Stewart. The rebound by Robertson.
Had enough room to finish, and that's one he'll usually make.
Over Cunningham. Knocks down the step-back Jay.
And you got to defend better than that. I mean, that's a good look for him.
See, this is what analytics don't take into account. Some guys thrive in the mid-range. Really depends on the shooter. It's actually kind of lazy.
Here's Ivy. The open shot, Cunningham. Plenty of room to knock down that one.
And we talk about the importance of versatility. He's really got it all on the offensive end.
And now just over a minute played here in the first. Yep, count it.
When you're trying to stop a guy like this, you have to match his intensity level.
Pass to Stewart. And that one's good. Cunningham's got his second basket of the game.
Starting to find his rhythm. He's cooking, and he knows it.
Yeah, when he gets engaged this early in the game, it's bad news for the defense. He can roll this start throughout the rest of the game.
Here's Abdul-Jabbar. Here's Dandridge. Launches it. Drains the triple.
You don't want to let him get into a rhythm from out there.
Cunningham outside. Pass to Stewart. From the arc. Hits the trifecta.
That's how you up the ante. Come right back at him.
Yeah, I love the competitive fire right there. You drain a triple on us, and I'm coming for my revenge.
Here's Abdul-Jabbar. He's covered by Bagley. To the middle. Here's Dandridge. Goes up and lays it in. Nice and easy. He's got 5.
Just taking it right to the rim, and no one was there to greet him.
Easy possessions like that literally are just a gift. You just dream of them. You'll gladly take those.
Just over 2.5 minutes played here in the first. Here's Robertson. Over to the wing. Let's go with a 3. The Bucks rebound. Pass to McLaughlin.
2 minutes remaining in the first. 2 minutes.
Here's Abdul-Jabbar. And he's in the books. Now 1 for 2.
And they may have talked about shot selection coming into this.
To the paint. Here's Stewart. And finished off by Stewart.
And although he's undersized at his position, his vertical, yeah, that'll clean up a few mistakes.
Here's Robertson. Counted. Good. Here's Cunningham. 1:25 left in the first quarter.
First personal foul. First team foul.
There's 1:17 left in the first quarter. Pass to Bogdanovich. He drops it from range. Already 5 lead changes here.
Speaks to how evenly matched these teams have been thus far.
Here's Abdul-Jabbar. For 3, Allen. Here's Abdul-Jabbar. He's covered by Bagley. Allen with it. 5 to shoot. They get it back. Abdul-Jabbar. And that one goes in as he's fouled. It'll be 3 points if he converts the free throw.
Shooting for Milwaukee.
The Pistons trailing. 40 seconds left now in the first quarter. Pass to Noel. And here's Bagley. Here's Bogdanovich. Got it. Bogdanovich has got 5.
I know it's early, but you have to wonder if these offenses can keep this up.
There will be some letdown at some point, but these teams, they are built to score, so.
Here's Abdul-Jabbar. 5 points in the game. To the left side wing. Hayes with it. He got it up. Oh, he beats the buzzer just in time. Wow.
Big time bucket, I'll tell you. Great clock management there.
Boy, that was close. Got it in just in the nick of time.
A free. And thanks again for tuning in. If you're just joining us, we played through 1 quarter of action so far. All right, guys, some stats here. The scoring breakdown for Detroit. Pass to Robertson. Shot from the wing. Rebounded by the Pistons.
If he gets that look again, he should take it. You can't let one miss scare you off of a very good shot.
Hayes for 3. Here's Noel. And he drops in the layup off the glass. Noel's got his first 2 points.
Second chance points are always painful. Have to make the effort to box out.
Yeah, I'm going to go out on a limb here and say they need to emphasize rebounding going forward.
Dandridge can't get it to go. The Pistons leading. Hayes with it. Guarded by Smith. And Noel hammers it down.
He put a little flair on that one.
Yes, he did. Man, he's a strong finisher, huh? Here's Robertson. And the shot goes. Give him 8.
It doesn't get any easier than that. The defense has to play better.
And here's Hayes. And finished off by Hayes.
Oh, nice one-handed jam there, B.A.
Hey, little exclamation point. Pass to Smith. Here's Dandridge. He's got 5. Hey, in 6 attempts, he's made 5. Talk about efficiency.
He's not the quickest guy out there, but he can outsmart you and outwork you.
Now Hayes. 5 points in the game. On the wing, Burks. The Pistons rebound. To the inside. The basket drops, and he gets fouled on the shot. 1 free throw coming his way.
They're punishing those late defensive rotations, getting good looks inside throughout the half.
The Bucks trail. Pass to Dandridge. The 3-ball. The rebound by Bogdanovich. Quarter 2 and just under 2.5 minutes gone by. Inside. Here's Bagley. Oh, the big finish by Bagley.
Just a textbook lead pass right there, putting it right where it needed to be.
Here's Robertson. Can't get it to drop. And Detroit the other way now. Down low. Here's Bagley. Oh, the big finish by Bagley.
Give their offense some love. They've been the more efficient team.
Yeah, coach has to be thrilled. You can draw up all the X's and O's you want. The guys have to go out there and execute with enthusiasm.
Now here's Smith. Still getting warmed up offensively. No buckets yet in the game from him.
A strong finish to cut into that lead a little.
Man, left no doubt with that one, Grant. And let's swing it over to the sideline and hear from Allie.
Well, guys, the Pistons focusing on improving their scoring. Coach Dwayne Casey said, quote, "This is an offensive league. In today's game, you've got to be able to shoot the three because you can't make enough twos to win. It's tough to defend the three, so you've got to keep that scoreboard moving." Back to you.
Floor spacing at a premium, Allie. Thank you. Pass to Hayes. To the inside. Noel. And Noel hammers it down.
Can you say immediate entry into the highlight reel? Woo, what a tough react.
It's showtime now, man. They've built up a lead, and they're starting to rub it in. Timeout called, Milwaukee. And as we head into this break, the players have an opportunity to replenish their energy with Gatorade as they prepare to go into the final stages of this ball game.
Absolutely. Over the course of a game, not to mention over the course of a season, you have to stay hydrated. If you don't, it's amazing how much slower your body is to bounce back. It can have a serious effect on performance, no question.
Here's Knox. 12-point lead, their biggest of the game. Pass to Noel. Here's Duran. And a strong finish with two hands.
Slams it down with two hands.
Man, they're really getting aggressive now. Here's Dandridge. Here's Abdul-Jabbar. He's got 5. Shoots from the block. And he connects with a jumper. There's 25 seconds left in the half. To the paint. And the foul is called. He missed it, so he's got a couple of free throws coming his way.
I like that. I mean, some physical play inside. He's not about to give up any easy baskets.
Both good from the line that time. 17 seconds left in the first half. Here's Abdul-Jabbar.
And what an aggressive move to the rim. He's really trying to fire up his teammates right now.
Boy, it's not hard to feel inspired after a teammate makes that kind of finish.
And that could be the spark they needed to make a little run as they try to even this thing up.
And so we've reached the end of the first half of play. The Pistons on top, leading by 10. Stay with us, folks. We'll be back just after halftime to get the third quarter started. And we played through the first half. Plenty of basketball left in this one. Here's Robertson. Inside. 9 points in the game.
You'd love to get the ball this close in every trip where you can almost just not miss.
Pass to Ivy. Three-pointer. Pure from three-point range. And the Pistons lead by 11.
This is why you always have to chase guys off the arc because everyone has a three-point shot now.
Dandridge can't get it to go. And Smith over to help. Pass to Stewart. Oh, and a fast break for the Bucks. Here's McLaughlin. Here's Abdul-Jabbar. He's covered by Bagley. And Stewart over to help. No one near him. Rebound Detroit. They've led by as many as 14. Outside Bogdanovich. Takes a three. And the Pistons, another three.
When he gets a quality look like this at the perimeter, he can almost be automatic.
And that one drops for him.
A great move. I mean, the defense has no response.
Yeah, taking it right to the rim. One imagines that might be discussed at halftime. That's going to be on the film.
To the middle. Here's Bagley.
And adds a few more points to their lead, showing off some style.
Wow, that was prime time stuff right there. Timeout called, the Bucks. Trying to make up ground here.
And with plenty of time left, you want to play with urgency, but not desperation.
Cunningham on the wing. Pass to Jones. Here's Miller. This one for three. And again, it's the Bucks missing. Cunningham outside. And